So I don't know where our car is, but I remembered na when we went inside the mall, we went straight to the Samsung service center, and then yeah, there is the yung Smart and then Samsung service center. And I remember parking my car right here on the 4th floor, but it's not here. I don't know if I'm being played or anything, pero I'm very sure na 4th floor specifically, because I wanted to be at Samsung agad, and it's not here. I can see my car here. I don't know where it is. So, meron pala siyang 4th floor mezzanine and 4th floor na yung pinaka 4th floor. Bobo. Kinabahan ako. si Avril naghahanap. Si Avril sa loob. Okay, sa loob. Si Avril naghahanap. Si Avril naghahanap. Buti na lang, pupunta ako dun sa card. Tapos, nakita ko, may stairs pa ulit na pababa. Tapos, yun nga. Parang din yun. Alam na, wala na yung sasakyan. Oh my God. Oh. Ay, wala si Avril, di ba? Okay, di ba? Gagi, ang tagal ng anak ko. Sobrang, ang tagal niya. Puntahan ka na ba? Diyan na nawawala yung kotse namin. Saan na kayo napunta? Nahihirapan na si Avril. Wait lang, hanapin ko na. You made me go through all the floors to find the pink car. Stop. Where did you go? Ba't ang tagal mo?
5th tsaka 3rd floor. Layo pa ng lalakarin ko kasi nasa tower, nasa annex tayo. God. Okay, stop.